If you need to travel around the UK, there's a very high chance you've heard about National Express, because honestly, it's one of the most popular coach travel companies in the country. And booking tickets online is actually very simple once you know the steps. So in this video, I'll show you exactly how to book National Express tickets online, step by step. First, go to the official National Express website or open the app. Now enter your departure city, your destination, and your travel date. You can also choose one-way or return tickets. Then click Search, and the website will show different travel times and prices. Honestly, prices can change depending on the time, the day, and how early you book. So sometimes checking different departure times can save you money. Now choose the trip you want, then enter your passenger information. Some bookings may also ask if you have a student discount, senior discount, or coach card. Now continue to payment. You can usually pay with credit cards, debit cards, Apple Pay, or Google Pay. After payment, your ticket will normally arrive by email or inside the app. And honestly, most people now just use the digital ticket on their phone when boarding. So there's usually no need to print anything. Now, another important thing, always double-check the station travel date and departure time before paying, because changing tickets later may include extra fees. So, to wrap this up, booking National Express tickets online is basically search your route, choose your trip, pay online, and use the digital ticket on your phone. And honestly, once you do it, once the process becomes super easy.